The following clips are about to see are either AI or filmed in Mexico.
Hi guys. Today we got a POV drive. Driving this thing right here. Oh my god, I look like an idiot. If you saw the setup right now, you'd be like, what the fuck is this? Anyways, so we're about to go to BMW Sterling. And why the fuck are you always sitting on the curb? Anyways, we have our lovely guests right here. Anyways, shh, listen. Alright, so we're gonna get this start up. Sounds amazing. Wait, hold on.
No, you didn't get the thumbs up, bro.
This guy, bro. You ready, sir? All right. Fuck you. Nah. It's just a false alarm. Pussy ass 525 or 528, I mean. This shit's ass as fuck. This guy I saw it always trying to do some shit. What do you do? Basically something like similar of what it would be. No. Tell them there's like cops on this road. I'm not ready. Hey, bro, I try to warn this guy, bro. What? Bro, what? Like, what's so funny? What's so funny? Well, obviously, I'm not checking the time. Brains out. What's he saying? Try to tell him, bro. He didn't want to listen. This guy, bro. Wow.
Woke up, I look at the computer say, Lloyd said, fuck T.I., fuck Nelly, fuck 50. I'm like, what did he say fuck me for?
This guy has GTR head. It's some fucking grandma with GTR head tail. Oh shit, and she has the spoiler bullshit too. That's so weird to see. Fucking, no, it's K. Fucking Rolls Royce Spectre over there. I miss going over here all the time. This is my favorite fucking place.
McLaren.
I swear if made us drive over here for absolutely no reason, I'm gonna kill this guy. Alright, it's time to end this video now. I need this dumb shit off my fucking.
What's up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Hope you guys enjoyed that ass. So I appreciate you guys, whoever made it to the end of the video. You know, plan is to upload about 3 times a week, and after that, you know what I'm saying, go from there. If you haven't already, or if you aren't, I'd recommend you go follow my TikTok. Same name as the YouTube channel, Rowdy Whips. But yeah, man,
I hope you guys have a nice rest of the day and take care.